Lenovo Android big screen player setting information. Car setting, common setting, handbrake setting. When you turn off, you will available to watch video when you release the handbrake. Reverse mirror. When your reverse image is left, right, opposite, you can turn it on to change it back to normal. And video PIP, when you turn it on, okay, when you're watching your video, you minimize the video. He also got showing like picture in picture. So this is video PIP. Okay, another information is in car kit. Okay, for high spec car model, when you are opening your door, he will showing a small image that you telling you the door is opening. So in this door window setting, if your door setting front door is exchanged like left, right is opposite, so you can turn it on for exchange it. So this is the setting for door window setting. AC setting also same like you are show the player was showing the aircon temperature. So if left, right, opposite, you can turn it on for exchange it. So this is others car setting, car kit setting for the player with your car setting, if your car setting available for the function. So this is Lenovo how to setting system setting information. Okay. Video by One Piece. Thank you.